Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run in Plants vs. Zombies battle for Neighborville Switch. To move your character, gently push the left joystick on your Nintendo Switch controller in the direction you wish to go. This fundamental action allows your plant or zombie to traverse the vibrant battlegrounds at a standard pace. Mastering this basic movement is the first step to becoming an effective player, enabling you to navigate the map and engage in combat. Beyond basic running, you can activate a sprint for a burst of speed. To do this, press down on the left joystick while simultaneously pushing it forward. This action provides a noticeable increase in your character's movement speed, which is incredibly useful for covering long distances quickly. Sprinting is essential for rapidly reaching objectives, flanking enemies, or making a swift escape from intense firefights. It's important to remember that many characters in Battle for Neighborville have unique movement abilities that go beyond simple running or sprinting. For instance, the pea shooter can activate Hyper to gain a significant speed boost and jump higher, while the imp can use Impata for a quick dash. These special moves add a layer of tactical depth, allowing for diverse strategies in combat and traversal. Effective movement is a cornerstone of success in Battle for Neighborville. Strategically combine your running and sprinting with your character's unique abilities to outmaneuver opponents. Use quick bursts of speed to flank enemies, secure elevated positions, or swiftly retreat from overwhelming odds. Always maintain awareness of the map and your surroundings to make the most impactful movement decisions, giving you a significant edge in every battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.